Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this dress to impress tutorial, we are channeling the iconic hat witch in charge with a glam meets goth outfits inspired by Winifred from Hocus Pocus. So let me show you how you can create this look. So first I'm going to make the hair. First, I'm going to go to the updo category and put on this hair in here and make the color orange like this and combine it with this hair. Make it the same color, and last one, you can combine it with this bangs. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start creating the dress. First, I'm going to go to use the code item, this long dress from code items in here, this one. And I'm going to use the green color. So this is the green color that I'm using. And here I'm going to combine it with this dress. Use the same color, and for the second preview, I'm going to use the green one and make it a little bit lighter like this. Okay, so we're done in here, and I'm going to finish the dress. And first I'm going to put on the accessory like these earrings and change the color into purple. And now let's finish the dress. Here I'm going to grab this top, this white top in here. First preview, make it green, and the second one, make it purple. Then I'm going to put on this dress. First color, you can use a pattern. So in this case, I'm going to use this patterns in here. This one for the first preview. The second one, make it green. Then I'm going to put on this sleeves, green, and also for the fur, make it purple. And let me put on this top and use the same green color. For the bow, you can make it purple. And I'm going to put on this puff on the shoulder and also on the arms like this. And now the look is done. So this look is perfect for themes like witch, Halloween, villain, fantasy, or movie character. That's all from me. Like if you live for a powerful villain glow up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks for more magical outfits in DTI. Bye!